Let us start 10th standard maths coordinate geometry. 10th standard coordinate geometry distance formula. Distance between the points P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is given by PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between the points P x1, y1 and x2, y2 is PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We can also write this as PQ is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Both are same. Since distance is always non-negative, we take only positive square root. The distance of a point P x, y and origin, coordinates of origin 0, 0 is OP is equal to, let us say O 0, 0 coordinates of origin, OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. The distance of a point P x, y and origin O 0, 0 is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. We know that coordinates of a point on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. Similarly, the coordinates of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y. Let us consider an example. First example, find the distance between the points 2, 3, 4, 1. Let us take points P 2, 3 and Q as 4, 1. x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance between the points PQ, we know that square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 2, 2 square 4, 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4, square root of 8, 4 into 2, 2 square, 2 root 2. Distance between the points 2, 3, 4, 1 is 2 root 2. Next example, find the distance between the points A, B minus A, minus B. Here let P A, B and Q minus A, minus B. Distance between the points P, Q, we know that square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2, here x1, y1, x2, y2 minus A, minus A whole square plus y2 minus b, y1 b whole square minus A, minus 2A minus b, minus 2b whole square. This is 4a square plus 4b square. Here 4 is common, a square plus b square. 2 square, 2, 2a square plus b square. The distance between P, x, y and the origin is, coordinates of origin 0, 0 is root of x square plus y square. Find the distance between origin and 8, minus 6 is We know that the distance of a point p x comma y from the origin is root of x square plus y square. Therefore, square root of 8 square plus 6 square, 8, 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36, 100, 10 square, therefore 10. Distance is 10. Next example, find the distance between the points minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Let P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance between the points PQ square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus 1 plus 5. 3 minus 7 whole square. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 whole square 16. Plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square 16. 32. 16 twos are 32. 4 square into 2 or 4 root 2. Next example, the distance of a point minus 3, 4 from the origin. We know that the coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Therefore, square root of x square plus y square. 9 plus 16, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Square root of 25, 5 square. Therefore, 5 units. Next example, the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. The distance between the coordinates of point P, Q from the origin is P square, square root of P square plus Q square. Distance between the origin and the point 12, square root of 144 plus 25. 169, 13 square, 13 units. Next example, verify that the points 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of triangle or not. Let P 5, minus 2, Q 6, 4 and R 7, minus 2 are the given points. Using distance formula, we have distance between the points PQ, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus plus 2, 6 minus 5, 1 square is 1, 4 plus 2, 6 square is 36, root 37. Similarly, the distance between the points QR, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 7 minus 6 is 1 square is 1, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 square is 36, root 37. And distance between the points PR, x2 minus x1 whole square, 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 7 minus 5, 2, 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 plus 2 0. Here 2 square 2. Here since PQ is equal to QR, given points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Next example, the vertices of a triangle are 8, minus 4, 9, 5 and 0, 4. Prove that triangle is an isosceles triangle. Let A 8, minus 4, B 9, 5 and C 0, 4 are the given points. A 8, minus 4, B 9, 5, C 0, 4. Using distance formula, we have AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 9 minus 8, 1 square is 1, 5 plus 4 9, 9 square is 81, root 82. BC square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 9 square 81, 4 minus 5 minus 1 square is 1, 82. AC x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AC or CA x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 64 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, 64, 8 root 2. Since AB is equal to BC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Example, show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. Solution, let A 1, 7, B 4, 2, C minus 1, minus 1 and D minus 4, 4 be the given points. Using distance formula, A, B, C, D. 1, 7, 4, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 4. AB, distance between the points AB, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4 minus 1 3, 3 square is 9, 2 minus 5 7 is 5, minus 5 whole square 25 plus 25 root 34. BC x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus 5 25 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 9. Again root 34. CD x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 whole square 9 25. AD next DA x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 25 9 7 minus 4 3 34. Next let us see diagonals. Distance between AC x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 4 64 68. Distance between the points BD x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 4 minus 8 64 68. Here since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and AC is equal to BD. All four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal and its diagonals AC and BD are also equal. Therefore ABCD is a square.